Alright guys, it's been some time since we have these bullish updates from Max, and it's time again. I've set some bookmarks and we go through them, and it's all so freaking bullish, you won't believe what's happening behind the curtains. So we start with Bitcoin historian writing, breaking 4 trillion JP Morgan to partner with Coinbase to launch Bitcoin buying and selling to customers. Wall Street is coming. This is massive. For you that don't know, I'm gonna show you this clip. Without any context,
12th,
just listen to this.
Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin is a fraud. He says he'll fire any one of his traders buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops 24%. When Jamie Dimon speaks, people listen. So that weekend, we found out that the largest buyer of a Bitcoin fund that's in Europe that buys physical Bitcoin, right? The largest buyer was Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan.
So they've been buying all the way in the background, and well, as they say, if you can fight them, join them. And this is exactly what's happening. The next one, the Kraken CEO said on CNBC that every financial institution is now coming to Bitcoin. And also to crypto. This means trillions are coming. Right now, the whole crypto space has a market cap of about, we can look it up, right? That you believe me, about 3.87 trillion. This is nothing. Compared to all the other assets in the world, this is almost nothing. And when this arrives in the mainstream, we're gonna see trillions pouring into the markets. Next one, just in, British publicly traded the Smarter Web company buys 225 Bitcoin and now holds 1,825 BTC. So this list, if you see this, it goes to the top, of course, and this is a list of all the publicly traded or all the companies in the world that are holding Bitcoin right now. And you see these numbers, if you add them up, it's gonna be a bunch, and it's only starting. So if all the companies in the world start to have a Bitcoin treasury, there won't be enough. We only have 21 million, and when that starts, we're gonna see an explosion like we've never seen before. Or, as the Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas says, Bitcoin is going to 1 million very shortly. Might be happening. Right now, the chart suggests otherwise. So the charts say that we're about to go to 150,000 or something like that. But we haven't counted in a short squeeze. And on a short squeeze, supply squeeze. So if people want to buy more Bitcoin than there are on the open markets and all the OTC desks are empty, we're gonna see an explosion and we break the 4-year cycles, and stuff is gonna happen that no one believes. So for all the people not holding Bitcoin right now, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Altcoin Daily writes, investing expert Rick Edelman. We're going to see trillions of dollars flowing into crypto over the next 4 years. It's gonna put Bitcoin at 500,000 at the end of the decade. Also possible. 1 million is possible. 2 million is possible. 150k is also possible. We don't know what's happening in the future. But all this bullish news on X, it makes me just cry for all the people who don't have any exposure to crypto. President Trump said crypto could be the greatest revolution in finance since the internet. So, 16 years ago, people said it's a fraud. They say it's a scam. It's just internet BS. It's funny internet money. And now the president of the United States says that crypto could be the greatest revolution. We are talking about a paradigm shift. We are talking about the internet. We're talking about the steam engine. We're talking about AI. This might be a new revolution. We do another one. Bitcoin billionaire Tim Draper just raised 200 million for a new venture fund. He believes fiat is going extinct. Buckle up. When fiat goes extinct, we're gonna tear a hole in the financial system, and this has to get filled, and guess with what? It's gonna be Bitcoin, guys. We haven't any other solution right now. If you believe it's any other cryptocurrency and this will happen, more power to you. Good luck, guys. But I think the king of crypto is still Bitcoin. It's the mother of everything. And when something like that happens, we're gonna see Bitcoin going to the moon. Let's read through another one from the Bitcoin historian. Breaking, Russian central bank explores approving Bitcoin for 1.05 trillion rubles mutual fund market due to high demand. The next global reserve asset is coming. Yes, I see it the same way. Russia is exploring, China is exploring, India is exploring, the US is exploring. You know, I'm from Germany and it breaks my heart because Europe is sleeping on this. It's in a deep sleep. As you know, Germany sold their 50,000 Bitcoin holdings for a penny. And yeah, they're idiots. So I hope you like these updates. I wish you all the best and all the best of luck in the coming weeks because it's gonna be really epic. See you in the next one. Bye.